You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word, but how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce the name of this dish, pasta dish, generally from Italy. We'll be looking at how to say more Italian cuisine names and more food names that many get wrong. So stay tuned to learn more. Vongole. Vongole is how it's said in Italian. Vongole, yes, not Vongole. No, Vongole. And now you know. More videos for you here to learn more. Correct pronunciations. Arrivederci. Grazie mille. Ciao ciao, like this video, by the way, thank you, appreciate it. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.